In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons within a button element in Bubble.io. First, you'll want to head over to the Bubble website. If you're not already familiar with Bubble, it's a platform that allows you to build web applications without needing to code. Once you've navigated to the site, the next step is to log in. Simply click on the Continue with Google option. This feature makes logging in quick and easy if you already have a Google account. Select your Google account and then proceed by clicking Continue to confirm your login. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Bubble dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and click on the project you want to work on today. If you've got multiple projects, just find the one you need and click on it. Once inside your project, you should select the Web App option to get into your app's development environment. Now that you're in the design area, let's move to the particular section where you want to add an icon to a button. You need to click on the Button tool to activate it. Position your cursor on the canvas where you wish to place the button. Click to drop it there and feel free to adjust the size to your liking. You'd want it to be visually optimal based on the design of your app. Next, it's time to add text to your button. Think about the action you'd like your users to perform. This will guide what you type on the button. Make your text clear and concise so that users immediately know its purpose. Now let's make this button even more engaging by adding an icon. Look for the Button Type drop-down menu, which will offer you various options. Select Icon and Label from the list to enable the icon addition functionality. This particular option is great because it allows you to use both an icon and a text label, enhancing the visual appeal of your button. Proceed by choosing the icon that best suits the action or message of your button. Bubble offers a range of icons, so you can browse through or search using keywords like send if you're looking for a specific style or symbol. Once you find the icon you like, click on it to select it. This will attach the icon to your button alongside the text you added earlier. Finally, with everything set up, it's time to see the fruit of your labor. Click on the play button to preview how your button looks and behaves within the app. This is a great way to ensure everything is working and visually aligned as expected before you go live. That's it, you've successfully added an icon to a button in Bubble.io, enhancing its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Thanks for tuning in and happy building.